So when I made this welding table, I made it in a way that did not seem logical. I got 4 legs here. They're roughly not quite aligned with each other, but they're on there. And then I got a top up here that's sitting level, but the top of the table ain't level. It's all cattywampus crooked, and that means there's a space right over here. Well, there's a space all around up underneath it there. Look at that. Who would design a thing like that? And one of the side benefits of sometimes doing something in a really unnormal sort of way is that you can sometimes do something with it you couldn't do with a table that was made normal. Like, for example, the back of this chair, it sits straight, which is very uncomfortable. This would be a nice chair to sit down by the camper, but it'd be nice if this back was bent back. Now, there's a couple ways I could do this. This is a metal chair. I get the torch out and I could heat this up and bend it. Or maybe I could take this and stick it in here like that. And maybe grab it like this. And maybe I could bend it like that. Oh, look at there. That looks like somebody designed it to work that way, don't it? Oh, that's much better. But sometimes the smartest way ain't the right way, or vice versa. I'll just keep that in mind. I'm going to bend another chair while you think about that. I got a lot of friends that know how to do things the right way, but I don't always do things the right way. Sometimes I do things in a counterintuitive sort of way that just don't seem right. Sometimes they work out anyway. Imagine that. Imagine that. Man, you'd think I'd planned it that way, wouldn't you? Well, lo and behold, heck far. And who doodly. I think I'll take these down there and set them out with the camper. That way when the company comes and they want to spend the night down there, they have some chairs to sit in there. Go. By the way, while I got that table pushed out, I guess I'll do a little cleanup in here. It's overdue for a little cleanup. Mercy sakes. Great balls of fire. I'll see what other little things I can throw on here in the meantime. When I'm going down there, I've got to take a few more things down there. I think that lift ought to go down there, and I need a better way to transport that than what I have. And I bet I could make up a little gizmo with some wheels on it to transport that with. In fact, yeah, I bet I could come up with something if I put my mind to it. Well, I'll take that back there first, and then we'll see what we got after that.